Hey everybody, how is everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing really well. They had a good week, they're enjoying their weekend. We're on to our dessert of the week. We are making no-bake chocolate peanut butter cookies. Let's get to it. It's time for another episode of Cooking with Kaitlin. That's me. Enjoy. Alright, so in our saucepan, we've got a stick of butter that we are melting. A little base going in there. A cup of sugar we're putting in. Half a cup of milk or milk substitute. Actually using my oat milk because we didn't really have much left of the other kind that I've used before, like regular milk. And there's only a little bit left and it's my husband's, and I was like, well, this is for me. He'll eat some, but it's like he's not asking for this actively to be made. So, not that he won't refuse, not that he wouldn't eat it. He loves what I make. He's so spoiled, but he's a good man. All right, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 2, 3, there we go, and 4. All right. And so we're just going to be stirring this, letting the butter melt. We're going to bring it all to a boil and stir it for about 1 more minute before we remove it from heat. So I will check back when we are closer to the boil. All right, making sure you guys can see it's now boiling. So we're just gonna start for about a minute and then remove it from heat. Just wanted y'all to see it. Nice and boiling. All right, I'm gonna pause you guys and check back in a sec. All right, now we're going to be adding in our next few ingredients. We're adding in a teaspoon of vanilla, which I forgot to open up prior to our shoot, guys. So mea culpa for the delay. It always kind of bubbles up like that when we add in. And then 1/4 teaspoon salt. Remember, salt always helps bring out that sweet flavor like we like. Get that stirring in. Then finally, I'm gonna grab my spatula for this actually, just to help. A 1/2 cup of peanut butter, because they were chocolate peanut butter no-bake cookies. And no, this isn't it. We're almost to the last couple ingredients now, but just making sure we get all of it in there. All right, just stirring that peanut butter in. It's looking good. I'll let it fully melt and combine. Chocolate and peanut butter. It just smells so good, y'all. It smells amazing. It's nothing better. Nothing better. Y'all are like, we know. But you're not here. So unless you're making this alongside me, and you should, then alas, you may not have something chocolatey and peanut buttery to eat simultaneously. And that, my friends, is just tragic. Make sure. There we go. All right. 3 cups of oats are going in. And half a cup of chopped up pecans are also going in. All right, 1 sec. All right, now I'm gonna just shake on some parchment paper. Just gonna get, here, I'll show you guys, and scoop your cookies. See? Just gonna scoop them and let them set back. Get back to being firm little cookies. Just yummilish. All right, and we will check back when they have set up. All right, so let them set for about an hour or so. And then you peel them off. And there they are. Bon appetit. Catch you later.